Okay, so here we're going to be looking at subtraction with 4 or more digits. So just the same as addition, when you have to subtract with a large number, it's helpful to write them into a frame and calculate them column by column. So a frame can be very simply put, and it's up to you whether you want to write the ones, the tens, the hundreds, and thousands, and then the tens of thousands there. If you want to, you can make that into a frame where you even draw your columns down using a ruler. So you always put the largest number at the top. So the number we're going to start with is 47,458. And from that number, we're going to take away 13,895. We'll draw a line there. So now we work from the ones column, subtracting each time. And if the top number is smaller than the bottom number, we've got to take 1 from the column on the left and add it to the top number. And this is either called changing or decomposition. Okay, so in this first one, we've got 8, but we need to take 5 from it. So that starts off, and then we have 3 left over. In our tens column, we've got 5, but we need to take 9 from it. So in this, we need to borrow 1 from this column here. So we go over to the 4 and we make that into 3. And then that gives us 10 in this column, because one of those is actually worth 100 because it's in the hundredths column. So this number here is 15. Now we've got 9 that we have to remove from the 15. That leaves us with 6. In the next column, we cannot take 8 away from 3 because there aren't enough. So we need to borrow again from this column. Put a line through that and make it into 6. And then we can bring the 10 over and make that into 13. 13 take away 8 gives us 5. 6, and move into this column, 6 take away 3 is 3. And 4 take away 1 is 3. So there's our answer, 33,563. Okay, so for the next one, we are going to be subtracting from 3,548. And from that number, we're going to take away, probably a bit low, isn't it? I'll take that. We're going to take away 317. So this one we'll have to look at. So 8 take away 7 is 1. 4 take away 1 is 3. 5 take away 3 is 2. And 3 take away nothing is 3. Okay, so now we'll do one more. 87,515, and we're going to be taking away 53,816. So to start off with, we've got, go to our ones column, you've got 5. You can't take 6 away from 5, so we're going to have to go to the tens column and borrow from there. So turn that into 0 and make the ones into 15. 15 take away 6 gives us 9. In the tens column, we need to take 1 away from 0, which we can't do. So again, we need to borrow from this column. That becomes the 4, and we move 1 over, so that becomes 10. 10 take away 1 gives us 9 again. Same problem here, we can't take 8 away from 4, so we're going to have to borrow 1 from this column, which goes into 6, and that becomes 14. 14 take away 8 is 6. You'll notice how I'm really being strict on my column discipline, which is really important for this. 6 take away 3 and 8 take away 5. And our answer for that one is 33,699. Go and give it a go yourselves.